Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now let us see how to find the value of, this is the problem given here. So you can see the mixed fractions, and here this is a different one. So first thing we have to solve the mixed fraction, then here we have to look at the denominator and so on. So now let us go step by step. First this mix will make it to improper in the numerator. So one integer 1 by 7, this is going to be 7 ones are plus 1, that will be 7 ones are 7 plus 1, that is going to be 8 by 7 minus here 2 by 3 as it is. For this part, now let us solve this part first. So the numerator will keep as it is, but denominator, that is 1 minus 1 by 25. So this is going to be 25, the LCM is 25. So let me write this step whole again here. So the steps are going to be more, don't worry about the steps. So here it will be 1 by 1 into 25 minus 1 by 25. So once you understand, you can minimize the steps. So here 1 minus 1 by 7. So here again we'll keep 1 by 3 as it is. Again here the same. Here what we are going to do? This is 2 by 5 in the numerator. In the denominator we have, this is 1 minus 2 by 5. So the LCM here is 5. So we'll write that step over here. So 1 by 1 into 5 minus here 2 by 5. So now let us close the bracket. So now we'll go in the numerator again. That will be 8 by 7 minus 2 by 3, right as it is. This is 2 by 5. And here what we can do here? 25. 1 into 25, 25, 25 minus 1, that is going to be, we can write directly, that is divided by 24 by 25. Now let us go in the denominator. So that will be 1 minus 1 by 7, right as it is. Then 1 by 3. Again here what we can do here? This part. 2 by 5 right as it is, and this the denominator, this is going to be 5 minus 2, that is going to be 3 by 5. So here we'll write here 3 by 5. So now it's easy. So now once this is done, so now look at this part. So this is the numerator, this is the denominator, this denominator should be flip over, this is 5. So 2 by 5 into 25 by 24. Again here 1 minus 1 by 7 will be as it is first. And here what we can do here, 1 by 3 plus, again this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Denominator should be flip over. You have to look at this part. So that is going to be 2 by 5 into 5 by 3. So now 8 by 7 minus 2 by 3 as it is. Now this can be done as 5 ones are 5, 5s are 25, 2 ones are 2, 12s are. So this is plus 5 by 12. Now we have 1 minus 1 by 7 as it is. So this can be written as, this part can be written as, so we can do your 5, we can cut over here. So 1 by 3 plus, what remains in the numerator? 2 by 3. So now again, 8 by 7 minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 12, keep as it is. So here will be 1 minus 1 by 7. And here, see here, because the denominator is the same, 1 plus 2 means 3. 3 by 3 means that is going to be 1. So we are not going to write into 1 over here. So that will be considered, that it will be just into 1 means it will just going to be 1 minus 1 by 7. So now let us, can you see the denominators are different? So the LCM of this is, you can check the LCM later. So we can write directly, that is 84. So you can check with the LCM method. So that is 84. So now here, 8 into 7 into 12, 84 means 12 sevens are 84. Here also multiply by 12. So here, what will you get here? To get it to 84, 84 you can see for 3, 3 twos are 6, 24, 3 eights are. So that is going to be 28. Here you are going to multiply it by 28. Plus here 5, 12 sevens are 84. So this also should be multiplied by 7. And here in the denominator, what you can say here, when we write here 1 minus 1 by 7 means, we can do it if you want separately, or we can do it there itself. So 7 minus 1, that is going to be 6 by 7. So this is going to be 6 by 7, we can write over here. So now here, this is 12 8s are 96, minus here 28 2s are 56 plus 35 over 84, and this is 6 by 7. So 96 minus 56, what it will be? So this is going to be 40 plus 40, and this is plus 35, that is going to be 75. So it is going to be 75 divided by 84, and this is going to be 6 over 7. So now what you can do here? Now this is only the last step. This is the numerator denominator. So this is going to get flip over. Numerator remains as it is. So that is going to be 7 by 6. So here will be 7 ones are again here, and this will be 12. 12 cents are 84. So now we can put again, we can make it smaller. This will be 3 twos are, and this goes with 3, that is 3 25s are. So in the numerator we have 25, and the denominator is 24. So now can you see this is the improper fraction? To make it to proper fraction means to mixed fraction. This is the improper fraction. To make it to mixed fraction, so whenever improper fraction is there, most of the times we make it to the, if the option is given 25 by 24, then that is okay. So we make it to mixed fraction. So here this will be 1. So 1 integer 1 by 24. So we can write this as 1 integer 1 by 24. So this is the answer. Either you stop at this point or you write this one. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.